In this video, we are going to learn about Anaconda, how to install Anaconda, how to create the environment with Anaconda, how to copy this environment, and how to create machine learning project. We are going to learn how to install the requirement library and import the important library, and even to install the requirement of the project from a text file. We can install Anaconda from this site, and here we can find Anaconda download. Here we can download the Anaconda with Python 3.7 version or Python 2.7. Python 2.7 is retired, so it is important to download with Python 3.7. After downloading Anaconda, we can easily find Anaconda from Start menu, and here we can have Anaconda to start working. When we click on this, it will come with Anaconda prompt. Anaconda usually comes with two important packages, which is Conda and Python. By using Conda and Python, we can create a simple project for machine learning or data scientist. And also it comes with different kind of libraries like Pandas, NumPy, SciencePython, and others, too many packages. By using the list, Conda list, we can see all the packages that comes for Anaconda. Actually, these are too many packages. So if you don't have any space in your computer, you can use the Miniconda. And from Miniconda, you can install Miniconda, and it comes with only Python and Conda. And also you can install whatever package you need. So what is Anaconda? Anaconda is an open source distribution for Python designed for large scale data. With Anaconda, we can be able to simplify package management. So with Anaconda, it is simple to install the packages if we are using one project. And if we have many projects, it is easy to create many virtual environments with Anaconda that make working with multiple projects much easier. Once we have Anaconda installed in our computer, managing packages and environment, it will be so easy. So for example, I'm going to create one environment. So to create environment, it is easy to say conda create hyphen name. The name of the environment, we can say env, for example. And I'm going to install in this environment Python 3.7. So I say Python equals 3.7. So here it asks if it's going to install these packages. Yes. So here the environment is created. To activate this environment, we can say activate env, the name of the environment. So now, as you see here, we are in the environment env. After creating the environment, we can install some packages in this environment. For example, we are going to install NumPy. So to do that, we can say conda install NumPy. So start installing NumPy. And we can say here, yes. So here NumPy is already installed. Also, we can install many packages in the same sentence. For example, we can say conda install pandas, and Science Python. So in this case, Anaconda is going to install uh, pandas and Science Python together. And not only this, but also it's going to install all the packages that related with these packages. To uninstall a package, we can easily say conda remove. For example, we want to remove panda, so we are going to remove pandas in this statement. And yes, to list all the packages in this environment, we can type conda list. To update any package, we can update the package by using conda update and the name of the package, for example, numpy. And to update all the packages, it is easy to do that by conda update hyphen hyphen all and enter. If we don't know the exact name of the package we are looking for, it is easy to search for this package. To do that, so we have to type conda search and the package name that we want to find. For example, we want to find the beautiful soup. So here we can see that Anaconda is going to give us all the name of the packages, and at that time we can say conda install beautiful soup. To get out of this environment, our environment env, it is easy to do that by typing conda deactivate. So we are going to return back to the base. To copy any environment, we should be out of this environment. We should be on the base. So to copy this environment or to make another environment which is a copy from this environment, what we are going to do, we are going to say conda create hyphen hyphen the name of the environment that we want to create, which is going to call it env1, and it is a clone from hyphen hyphen clone from our environment with name env. We can list the name of the environment that we have by typing conda env with a small e list. And it's going to show us all the environment that we have. Now to remove environment which is exist and we don't need it anymore, it is easy to do that by typing conda env remove hyphen name for the name of the environment, and we are going to remove the environment env1 that we just created. And here we are on the base. So suppose that now we have a new project in machine learning and we want to deal with that project. So how we can do that? So first we are going to open a new folder and we are going to call this folder new project. Now what we are going to do, we are going to open this, take the path for this project, and we go to Anaconda. We open Anaconda and Anaconda command line. We say change directory to that project. Control C to paste the project line. So now we are in that project folder. We are going to say activate our environment, which is called env. And now here we need another project, another package to deal with machine learning, and this package is a Jupyter Notebook. So we are going to uninstall Jupyter Notebook. For that, in this environment, for that we are going to say install Jupyter. Sorry, Conda install Jupyter. So we say yes because Jupyter needs too many packages. Now in our environment, Jupyter is installing. Jupyter is an important package for machine learning. It allows us to write each sentence for machine learning project in one cell and run this statement. And in this way, we can check if this statement working very well or not. Now to run the Jupyter notebook, all we are going to do, we say Jupyter notebook. As we can see here, the home page for the Jupyter notebook, it appears here. So we can here open our project for Python 3, use Python 3 to open our project. Here we are going to import the libraries that we need. for example, pandas. And we say run. So here say no modules named pandas. To install this panda, either we are going to install it here, so we can write the statement pip install panda, and run this. Now let us do that. Say import pandas as pn. So it's working. This means that pandas is already there. This is the first way. Another way, we can install the package from here. So here Jupyter is running. We can stop Jupyter running by doing Control C, press Control C together. So it will get out of the Jupyter, but we are stay in the environment. So here we can say, for example, we want to install scikit-learn. So what we are going to do, we are going to write pip install sklearn. And here is going to install with sklearn job library too. So we can run Jupyter now. And by running Jupyter, it's going to open another home page. And here our project, which is unnamed till now. We can say import sklearn and run this cell. And it's working. This means that scikit-learn library is installed. Now you are ready to start your first machine learning project. Thank you very much. Bye.